Yo guys, here I want to talk about the guitars of the HPCrazy family and a little bit the background and story where the guitar came along into this little family. I know a few of you people out there are interested in these stories, so I'm gonna make a short review. And we first start, of course, with Dr. Ping. Dr. Ping, I'm with Dr. Ping since 2006. And back in 2006, I was a guitartricks.com instructor and also Gibson.com instructor. And they said, just pick a guitar you want. And I went through the catalog and then I saw Dr. Ping and said, whoa, I love the color and I really want to have that one. And many of you think it's an Epiphone, which is basically Gibson. Epiphone is the same company, but this is the first model this is the JJ French model, and this model is from the Elitist series. What is the Elitist series? Is like, this is the high quality series of Epiphone back in 2006. It has you see back here, standing here, Elitist. It is basically like a Les Paul Studio. That's one of the reasons why Dr. Ping really sounds good, because it's basically from the quality and the pickups a Gibson Les Paul. And Dr. Ping has been with me a long time. That's most of you guys know Dr. Ping because Dr. Ping looks great in the picture, and somehow became a trademark of this channel. But of course I have other guitars and I'm gonna show the rest of them to you now. This is Mrs. Blue, is brand new to the HPCrazy Guitar Family. I've been playing a Godin LJX, the same at Duncan pickups. The call was Champagne Burst. I played that one for 35 years and somehow it came outdated. That was my main concert guitar. I played all my concerts with that Godin, but somehow the sound didn't really match to what I wanted to go for. And my mom passed away last year and she left me a few bucks, and I know she would have wanted that I buy a guitar from it, so I made myself a budget to get a new guitar to replace my old concert guitar. And I first wanted to go for a custom made, but I didn't find anybody who really produced what I was looking for. And then I got a newsletter of a Swiss music store, and then I saw this guitar there, and I already knew that's the one I was always been looking for, and I had a budget. And then I looked at the price, and it went over my budget like 2.5 times. Okay, no way, I will not have that one here. But it just stayed in my mind, and somehow I got more information about this, and at the end I bought it. And this is a PRS private stock. It's serial number 21. Here's the signature. Is the Cheasapeak Bay model, and I think there are in Europe only 8 models of this. And I'm doing a lot of color music or Farbenmusik concerts, and this guitar really represents that type of music which I'm doing. There's very colorful guitar, has all colors in there. I always see that Lake's got a lot of inspiration. Here you see the Cheasapeak Bay with the birds. So it's really what I really wanted, and hopefully this guitar will be with me for the next 34 years, and slowly I really feel at home. I mean, the change from the Godin to this one was quite tough, because when you play one guitar so many years, it's like, it's like your family. And this is now the new member here, and I never regretted getting this one, even it went over my budget, way over my budget, and I'm living on spaghetti and tomato sauce now. But the sound is really great, and it's really a great add to the HPCrazy Guitar Family. Yo, and here we come with the next guitar. You can already hear it. 7-string guitar. This is the cat. I always wanted to do singing and guitar playing, and unfortunately I don't really have a big range in my voice, but in B, woke up this morning, I got myself a beer. Woke up this morning, in this key it really works. So I had this idea, getting a 7-string guitar also for tapping. You know, here you have an additional 7-string. And so I thought I need to have a 7-string guitar, but since I didn't know if I really go through this process, but in fact I went. I have a blog on my website where you can check it out, my 7-string guitar journey. And I saw one guitar, I said, okay, I want that one. I liked the color, the design and everything of it, of all the 7-string guitars I saw. And then it was sold out everywhere in the internet. Then I go, say, okay, then the project will not happen. That was last year. Then I went to the local music store. It's called Andy's Music Store here in Worcester. Then I saw it hanging at the wall. And since I read all about this already, I said, okay, I want it. I went in the store. Then the sales guy came, and normally when they say, can I check out this guitar, they think you want to play it like for a half an hour and then think about it, come back in 3 days, and you know how it is. So yeah, I take it. I say, yeah, okay, I get them. I said, no, I take it. I want it. I pay it now. They got so big eyes because he probably never experienced a customer who was so fast in decision making like me. I already did it, so I went in this. Okay, that's what I want. There it is, and the whole internet is sold out, and it's in my local music store. I wanted it, so I got it, and I really love this. It's really cool. Probably some stuff will come. Check out my blog on the website. Yo, here comes the next one. My Spanish guitar. My guitar teacher at the music university, Juan Martinez, that was my last guitar teacher. I learned most of the stuff from him. He always said to me, look, play Spanish guitar, you sound way better than an electric guitar. And for me, the Spanish guitar is really, I mean, I can play the regular, I play all the Meola stuff. Yeah, but still I feel I'm not really a complete Spanish guitar player. But at the end of the day, reviewing all the tracks which I produced, my most successful tune I ever recorded was one on this one, was a Spanish. I think I made like 3 or 4 million clicks or listens, and my other Spanish guitar tunes, I got signed at Hollywood agents and stuff like that. So this guy was right, but some I don't play it so much. Even I would love to, but I'm so stuck in my work and doing YouTube. But when I play concerts on that one, people always love it. even till today, it's like, you know, it's, I have a bipolar relation with the Spanish guitar, but I really love the sound and I have quite a lot of ideas what to do. Probably will come in the very near future. Yo, and here comes the last one. Steel string guitar. Honestly, I don't like playing steel string guitar so much because it's like any steel string guitar doesn't give notes for free. Let's put it that way. It's really tough to get really cool stuff out of steel string guitar. I mean, if you do strumming stuff, it's awesome. And I also love blues on stuff like that. I really love, but I have one here. I have a friend who is a guitar retailer in Switzerland. He brought me this one here for review, and I loved it. And of all steel string guitars I've been playing, this one feels quite home, and so I just said, okay, give it over. And since then I have this one. Maybe in the near future I'm gonna do more steel string, but was more likely it's gonna be more Spanish guitar. Yo, so that was my little review over all my guitars I'm playing. I know it's not many professional guitar players. They have mostly like 100 guitars or more like that. But for me, it's I'm that guy who's sticking to one guitar. That was for many years the golden LJX. Now it's going to be Mrs. Blue, and the other ones are just like working horse for different genres. But it takes really time till you adapt your playing to an exact guitar, that you get all these little things out of a guitar which are possible. And I'm a guy who doesn't really believe in having many guitars, but that's just a personal view. That's why I only have a few guitars. It's not that I don't want, or well, I could, but no, I don't want, but I could, but I don't want. That was a wrong expression. I mean, a lot of retail guys, they came, can you not play my guitar? Can you not play this guitar? But I'm a little bit stubborn on that topic. I just stick to my guitar models. Yo, that's all I have to say. See you guys.